Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm doing a continuation of my tutorial for how to make the cloud earrings or pendants, and Wendy in the live chat when I was doing a live stream about it had an idea to dip the wire in nail polish to make the little raindrops, so I'm going to show you that today. So what you're going to need for the project is some 24 gauge, your pliers, and some nail polish. So all you have to do to make the raindrop is you're going to leave quite a bit of wire here so you can add beads to it to dangle from your cloud. Bend this at a little bit of an angle, and then take your round pliers and form whatever size drop that you want. So I'm not going to do it too big because it will probably be for an earring or a pendant. And then we're just going to hold this in place and just give it a full turn around. Okay, and then we'll clip the end here. And then basically all you have to do is take your nail polish, and what I usually do is rather than dip it in the pot, because you can't really see how deep to put it, I just do like this, make sure you have enough that it covers the whole thing, and then you're going to hang it up to dry. So now I have the cloud that we made in last week's Tip Tuesday video. I show you how to make the cloud with a very quickie jig that you can make yourself. And here are the raindrops that I made. I've previously made them. They've dried, and I put some beads on there. And basically what we're going to do is loop them onto the cloud. So now we're going to bend this back kind of perpendicular to the raindrop, and then we'll get our round pliers and bring this around and make a nice size loop. And we're going to put them in these 3 little loops here, and make sure this is a nice big loop so it can dangle quite a bit. If this loop is too small, it's going to get stuck and it's not going to dangle too well. So make sure it's nice and big. Bring this all the way around and clip it, and then we'll put our other 2 on. So we have all these dangling down, and if you need to, you can go ahead and take your pliers just to do some little adjustments with these loops to make sure that they're sitting nicely. Sometimes you just have to give them a little mini twist around there. And then the raindrops too, you can just, if you have to, you can just hold them and then twist this at a bit of an angle so they sit flat. And there you have your cute little rain cloud with the little raindrops with the nail polish. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, I'll link it up below. It's a group where we share all kinds of our photos of our creations and inspiration for each other. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and unique jewelry. I also send out a monthly newsletter, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook, where I give a list of my supplies and materials and a few tips. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.